All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. We're going to speak about Shamar Nicholson. So, first of all, I'm quite sure most of you would have known that Shamar Nicholson was awarded Man of the Match today for Spartak Moscow in a tremendous, a tremendous game for him. But the game ended 1-1. The goal decision, they got a penalty in which they got back into the game. Shamar Nicholson also registered an assist. But before we get into the details of that game and also his performance, let me tell you, let's do the YouTube aspect of things. HBO, help a brother out. Help a brother out. Come on. Help a brother out. HBO, help a brother out. As you know, that's the only way the channel can grow. Hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button. But most important, if you don't hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. I'm going to set a like target on this video. Let's see if I can get 300 likes. At least 300 likes. So, they always said people are watching, but they don't like. My YouTube analytics tell me 85% of my viewers are actually unsubscribed. Are not subscribers, just 15% of my viewers are subscribers. So can you imagine? Let's hit that subscribe button and also the like button. Let's get to Shamar Nicholson. No, Shamar Nicholson, he turned up today again. And he also got a man of the match performance award. I need to put that up so you guys can see. Yes. What's that on your face, bro? Hey, bro, what's that on your face? You need to clean off your face, bro, and do an interview. Anyways. So, as you can see, hold up, that's a really, really nice trophy. I like the shape of the trophy. Good, nice trophy. But anyways, they played against Novgorod? Novgorod, they played against Novgorod. It was actually an away game, and Shamar Nicholson having a time of his life in Russia at this moment. Performances after performances, good performances after good performances. For what I was saying, I'm going to get into the statistics of the game and just give you guys some insight on how well he played in regards to the statistical element of the game. But from what I saw, and what I've seen, I had even have the record and have the assist. But he did put in some good performances. He get himself about. It was quite integral in this team right now. What I'm seeing is more of Shamar Nicholson coming deep in his central zones to support the midfield play. The game was early this morning. The game was from 6 o'clock Jamaican time this morning, and it ended around almost 8 o'clock. A little bit. I stopped watching the game when the Arsenal game started. I think was maybe about almost the 88th minute or something like that. So I had to have the Arsenal game up on my laptop, which is here, and my phone of the game of the Shamar Nicholson with Shamar Nicholson on my phone. But pretty much, I think I did enjoy the performance from him, and I do identify some traits from Shamar Nicholson. No, he's enjoying the football. That's one thing for sure. He is enjoying the football. Don't look at his face right now. That sad look on his face. He's enjoying the football that he's playing. He's enjoying playing for Spartak Moscow, and you have to be happy for him because he's enjoying his football. He's enjoying playing in Russia. He's enjoying what he's doing right now, and that could be the reason why he's getting these marvelous results and marvelous performances. So hats off to you, Shamar Nicholson. Hopefully you can continue this performance. Let me get into the aspects of his performance. So Shamar Nicholson, he played a total of 90 minutes. He had 2 shots, one shot on target, 1 shot off target, and he created 1 big chance in which that led to the goal. He also missed a chance. I wouldn't say that was a clear-cut chance. I would call it a half a chance because the defender really pushed put him off his game right there. Dribbles complete 1, which is 100%. He was fouled once. He completed 17 out of 23 passes. That's 74% passing accuracy. And as I said, he made also 2 key passes, 2 crosses completed at 100%. Touches total of 36 touches. 1 clearance. He also did get engaged in a lot of physical battles. As you know, he's a tall specimen of a player, and he will get caught out in these types of battles. Ground duels, 2 out of 3 completed, 66%. Aerial duels, 2 out of 5 completed at 46%. And he only lost possession once. Now, with him only losing possession once, that tells you that the aspect of him retaining, having that ball retention ability has now significantly improved. And I like that. Now let me touch on another player since I'm here and I can have a few more minutes. I have like 3 more minutes to touch on the player. So we saw Leon Bailey a minute ago, and Leon Bailey looked sharp coming on against Arsenal. And what I realized is that at the time, the specific time that he came on, so he got a few more minutes under his legs this time out. He came on the 69 minute. Yeah, people, 69 minutes. He came on the 69 minute, and with coming on, you can see that he had a lot of intent. He made only 4 passes though at 100%. He had 11 touches. But in the same sense, when I was looking at Liam Bill, I'm like, all right. So based off his intent, I think 2 changes made at the same time. Let me see if I can rectify the 2 changes that was made. Yes, Liam Bill came on with Bertrand Traore, and they were trying to change the game against Arsenal. Aston Villa did lose that game in that aspect, but I'm pretty much like what I'm seeing now from Leon Bailey in regards to the consistency in performance, and he looks a lot more tempered in regards to how he approaches the game and his actions, his final third actions. I think he gets even a cross in at one point in time, flew to the back post, and no one was there to latch on, and it was a good cross. So I'm liking the intent that I'm seeing from Liam Bailey, and I do believe that the more game he gets, the more you will see from him, because it was a tough game overall for the entirety of the Aston Villa team. They didn't have much possession of the ball. They couldn't even touch the ball based on how Arsenal play. But in a latter stage of the game, when you look at how the Arsenal kind of started to sit a little bit deeper, that is where the front line of Aston Villa came to light. The Coutinhos, the Ollie Watkins, and those guys. Even Buendia, that's when they came to life, and Liam Bailey and that as well. And they did pursue, but they didn't get that last goal in the latter stage of the game. And as an Arsenal fan, I was here biting my finger. But pretty much the reason why I can look at Liam Bailey now and said, okay, based off what I see, is because as an Arsenal fan, I was looking at trying to keep the clean sheet, and I was looking at the players who are likely to come on and create and let something happen or create something, and Liam Bailey was definitely one of those players who seemed hungered to get something done. And I'm pretty much okay with his continued performance. Now he will be traveling to Jamaica in the week coming, so we will see how well he performs in those international games that we have coming up. So I think we will see more of him by then. I'll be in tune in what's happening with the team, around the team. So there's a lot more to take from it. So that's it for me, people. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Leon Bailey, another couple of minutes, 20 minutes under his belt. 24 minutes under his belt, and pretty much looking solid as ever, getting better, getting fitter, getting sharper, and I like that. And also Shamar Nicholson looking confident, looking competent in front of goal. He's either assisting or scoring for Spartak Moscow. Right now, he's one of the most pivotal players. Both Shamar Nicholson and Quincy Promes, they are the most pivotal players. These guys are reaping in the results for the team. And it's quite a few man of the match awards he has now received since he has been down there. So, is it the first? No, it's not the first. I think this is his third. This is the third man of the match award for Spartak, I believe. Yeah. So that's quite a few. And he hasn't played a lot. You can count on one hand. You can count, well, 2 hands, the amount of games he's played. So that's pretty much impressive in my point of view. I can be wrong. But people, won't go on any further. Hopefully you guys smash the like button. Hopefully you guys hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button, people. Until next time, share the video. Military Guna TV, people. We are out. Boom.